Hey guys, welcome back to Brit Indians. I'm Joshua. September intake or January intake? Everybody has this confusion in their mind. How will be the job opportunities? Will I get a part time during my studies? So, in this video, I'm gonna answer for all your questions. We will look at the differences between September intake and January intake based on course and university availability, duration to complete, scholarships, part-time jobs, full-time jobs, social life, and COVID-19 effect. So based on these 7 factors, we will look which intake is good for you. So let's get into the video. Many prestigious universities provide only September intake for their courses. So, if you want to go into a prestigious university, for example, like London School of Economics, or University of Bath, or Loughborough University, or any other prestigious university, then you have to go for September intake. All other universities provide January intake, but still they provide only some courses for January intake, and mostly some of the courses will be available only for September intake. So if you are preferring to go for some specific course, then if it's not in January intake, then you will end up going in September intake only. September intake takes 1 year to complete the course, including the Christmas and Easter holidays. But January intake takes 14 to 15 months to complete the course, including Christmas, Easter, and summer holidays. All scholarships are merit based. For scholarships, some universities give preference to September intake, and they don't give much scholarship for January intake. But during COVID, I think there is no difference between the scholarships because they are providing for September intake also, and they are providing for January intake also. September intake is the biggest intake for undergraduates and postgraduates. So there will be a lot of opening for part-times, and equally there will be a lot of competitions to get into that, because everyone will be coming to the university in September or October. So everyone will be applying for the part-time at the same time. So there will be a lot of competitions for the part-time. Still, 90% of the people will get part-time jobs during September intake. For January intake, only master students will be coming for January intake, or any exchange students who is coming from another university or another country will be coming for the course. So at that time, the part-time will be very less. I mean, I won't say it is very less. If you are in a town, if your university is in a town area, then the most of the jobs will be taken by the September intake people. But still, the people who came in last January, they will be leaving from the university, so that part-times will be vacant, and there will be some extra additional requirement from some of the people. So there will be vacancy for you, but still it will be less than September intake. But if you are in a city, then or throughout the year there will be vacant for the part-time. During January intake, around 80 to 85% of the people will land in a part-time job. Also, part-time job searching during January will be less competitive, so you have more chance of getting a part-time job in January. Full-time jobs will be all around the year, so you will have a lot of job opportunities throughout the year. But still, if you are a graduate, then if you want to go into a very big company like an MNC, mostly they will have their job openings in September. For example, if a multinational company wants to hire 100 graduates in the UK for September 2021, so they will post their vacancy for 100 graduates during September 2020. So from September 2020 to December 2020 you will have the application period. So in that time you have to do the application, and there will be a lot of stages, so it will take nearly 6 to 7 months to finish the recruitment process, and then you will go to the job in September 2021. People going in that September 2020 intake, they can apply for this job which they can go in September 2021. This is mainly for graduate jobs. If you are going for experience, if you are an experienced person, if you are going for an experienced job, then there is a vacancy throughout the year, so you don't have to worry about that. And even if you are going for other small companies other than this big MNCs, if you are going for a company which is in the Europe only, if it's only UK based, then you don't have to worry. There will be vacancy for even for graduates throughout the year. And for people who are going in January, if you want to go into this graduate jobs in big MNCs, then for example, if you want to, if you are going in January 2021, then you can apply for the jobs which come live in September 2020. That jobs will be for September 2021. So when you finish your course in March 2021, you can go for the job in September 2021. So the thing is, you have to wait for 6 or 7 months for this job opportunity. But if you are going in September, you can directly finish your course and you can go for the job. That is the only difference between September and January intake. That is also mainly for graduates who want to go into a big MNC companies. If you are fine with any other companies in UK, for example a company which is only in UK or Europe, then you can just apply for jobs whenever it comes, because throughout the year there will be recruitment for graduates and experienced people. I am saying only for graduate program in big companies. So graduate program is nothing but if the company will hire you only if you have 0 experience to 2 years experience. If you have more than 2 years experience, they won't take you for a graduate position in big MNCs. September or October is the biggest intake in UK. You will have the freshers week during this intake. So it is one of the things that you must experience during your university days. So this intake, this freshers week will happen during the first week of your intake. During that time, you will have a lot of parties and events going on throughout the week all around your university and the town. If you are going for January intake, you won't have that during the initial days of your university, but still you can go for the freshers week which is coming in the following September intake. So if you are in the January intake, after 9 or 10 months, when the new September intake happens, you can just go and attend that freshers week. COVID-19 has brought a fear amongst us, which is mainly, if I go in September intake, will I have to attend online class? Will I be not able to get a good job? So these are the questions that is going on in everyone's mind. My suggestion is that if you have time in your life for your career, for example, if you are a fresh graduate coming out of university, finishing your bachelor's now, you will have a lot of time. You don't have to rush up and go for your masters. So at that time, you can choose the next year's September intake. Like the September intake in 2021, you can go for that. But if you don't have time, if you want to settle down immediately, but still you have 3 or 4 months of span which you can wait, then you come for January intake, because January intake is still like 4 or 3 months further than September intake. So you have some time for the COVID situation to settle down. So you can come for that intake. But if you will miss out some time in your life, you don't have any time, you have to just come and finish the studies and start your career life. And also if your course, whichever university which you are choosing doesn't have any January intake, they only have September intake, then you want to come in September 2020, just come for the intake. Don't be afraid. The only thing is part-time jobs, you will get your part-time jobs only after October end or November starting, because there are only 80% of the shops open in the whole UK. So there will be only few part-time jobs available only when the shops fully function in October end or November starting. So at that time you will get your part-time jobs. So be ready to have some backup amount till January, at least till January, so that you can survive without a part-time job. And then for full-time jobs, anyway you are gonna join a full-time job in September 2021. Everyone is hoping that the job market will boom again in UK, because UK is coming out of European Union. Also a lot of jobs which will come available in next year. So we hope that the situation will become normal. So if you want to come in September 2020, just come. And for courses, it will be 50% online and 50% face-to-face. They can't conduct 100% face-to-face courses. So this is the reality. Now it depends on you. You decide. If you don't have time, you want to come for September intake, just come for it. Just do it, because from September intake everyone is having PSW, so you don't have to worry for your jobs. You still have 2 more years to search for your jobs. And then if you have some time, like 4 months or 3 months, just take the time, come in January intake. Or if you have a lot of time, you are a fresh graduate, if you can wait for 1 more year, then just come in September intake. I won't say that fresh graduates should come in only in next September intake. You can come now also, there is no problem. But the job market will slowly come back to its level only in 2021. That's what we all are hoping. So this is the real situation of UK. And one more thing, no student coming in September intake will become a CEO of Google, and no people coming in January intake will become a beggar or will become a server in a restaurant. Everyone will have the same opportunities, guys. So don't worry about September intake or January intake. Just, if you want to come, just come. If you have that financial capability, then just come in September. If you don't have that, then just wait for 1 more 3 or 4 months and you can come in January intake. This is my personal suggestion. So it all depends on you now. September intake or January intake, doesn't matter. What you study, what is your skill set, what you learn, and how you showcase that to everyone, that determines which job you will land. Thank you guys for watching. So I think you like this video. If you like this video, hit the like button, and please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so that you can get notified whenever I post a new video. We will meet in next video. Until then, goodbye, cheers.